Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope you're all doing good. Are you all ready? Did you all come prepared to revise with me all your 11th standard backlogs? Hi Aisha, welcome. Nice to see you. Hello Netra, Praveen, Dinesh, welcome guys. How are you all doing? Are you excited? If you're excited, give me a yo in the chat. Give me a fire so that I know you're all prepared, you're all interested to demolish derivatives today with me. I am doing fabulous, Aisha. Thank you for asking. Hi, Hari, Banot, Abhiram. Welcome, Abhiram. Very good evening. So, people, today I have chosen a topic requested by majority of our 11th standard students. They were all asking, sir, can you revise limits and derivatives? Limits I've already done. So I thought, okay, let me do derivatives for our 11th standard ninjas so that they can be very confident with this backlog. Okay, so that is my target for today. I'm gonna kill, smash, demolish, squash what? Derivatives. So we are gonna master derivatives together in just 1 hour. In 1 hour, we will see what are the best questions, how to tackle them, how to approach them. I'm going to teach all secrets to you. So stay tuned, enjoy the session, and please make notes wherever required. Okay, so try to bring a pen and paper to all my classes because that way you will benefit. I'm not going to teach you easy stuff. I'm going to teach you good quality content. Okay, so I hope I set the context for today's class. Now with that said, for those who are wondering, sir, who are you, sir? Good question. So now, my name, people, is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics in Vedantu. So if you're a 11th and 12th standard student who is preparing for engineering exams, what are engineering exams? Like your VIT, SRM, BITSAT, KVPY, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. Those are all exams which are basically science and engineering oriented. So if you are such an aspirant, then you are at the right place because in this channel, you have 3 wonderful teachers who will guide you to your destined target. What is your target? We will guide you there, and that is our fulfillment. That is our objective. Okay, if we do that, we are happy. So make use of our service, make use of our content, and keep growing because that is what Vedantu wants from all of you. Okay, keep growing, always stay curious and enjoy your childhood, guys. This is a beautiful phase of your life, so enjoy it, make some amazing memories and do your best so that you don't regret later on. Okay, that is very important. So this is my background, you can read through it. So I am a graduate of IIT Madras. So I studied in IIT. Many of you aspire to be in IIT, so I'll guide you, don't worry. We have a long journey. And then I did clear KVPY. Yes, I cleared it. And JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. I got state rank 5. Okay, so that is my background. Now, with that said, people, you are currently watching We Enthuse, the English JEE channel of Vedantu. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to do that. And also share it to your friends. Okay, that would mean a lot to me. If you are interested to know me better, if you want to be my friend, if you want to know me apart from what I do as a teacher, what I do in life, then you can message me here. You can follow me there. Got it? So shall we begin? Are you guys ready? So thank you to everyone who liked the video already because your likes are my fuel. Okay, your likes fuel my energy. So thank you so much for liking the video. Thank you so much for all the support you have shown, people, because without you guys, I don't think we would have reached 89,000 subscribers. That is massive, isn't it? For an English channel, that is massive. Thank you for the love. I hope we continue to grow together as one big family. Got it? So let's begin. Are you guys ready? Can you guys give me a yo? Can you guys give me a fire in the chat so that let's get started with this session on derivatives. Are you ready to master with me? Aisha says ready. Hi, Suhani. Suhani, no problem, Suhani. I am glad you could come here. Great, great. Yes, Jayanu, Vijaya Durga Devi. Yes, you have lot of English micro courses. You can join us. Jigisha, you are not late, Jigisha. You are right on time. I am just getting started. Harshavardhan says ready. Aisha says ready. Great. Mohammad Ayaz, fantastic man. So that's what we want. Great. So shall we get started? Brilliant people. The first and the foremost thing which I want to teach all of you is what is derivative? What is differentiation? Let's have a look at that. Okay? Let's have a look at that. Logesh, you're not late. Logesh, you're right on time. Okay? So people, let's try to understand the basic definition of differentiation. What do you mean by derivative? Derivative, the textbook definition is rate of change of slope. Rate of change of slope. That is called as derivative. Got it? So for example, if you have, let's say a curve, okay? So let's say there are 2 points where a line cuts, okay? So let's say this point is x, this is your x-axis, okay? This is your x and this is your x plus h. So what will this point be? Let's say the curve is f of x, okay? So this point will be f of x coordinate is x plus h and y coordinate is f of x plus h. Correct now? Do you guys agree with me on that? Is that simple? How do you plot a point on the coordinate plane, the Cartesian plane? You give x coordinate, you give y coordinate. X coordinate is what? For this point it is wherever it meets the x-axis, the perpendicular drop from it. So that is x plus h. So that is your x coordinate. What will be your y coordinate? Y is equal to f of x is the function. So y coordinate will be function of x plus h. So similarly here, this will be x plus, got it? Because here the x coordinate is x, y coordinate will be f of x. Did you all get it? Did you all like it? If everybody understood, can you guys give me a thumbs up? I want you to be constantly in touch with me, guys, because I want everybody to understand. That is why I created this session. This session I want everybody to follow. Okay? Very good, very good. Delta x means that is change in x, Lokesh. Okay? Very good. I'm so glad you guys are following it. Amazing job, guys. Now, what is the change in slope? So first of all, let's say, what is slope, guys? The slope is given as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Everybody knows that the slope of a straight line is given by this formula. We have all studied that from 10 standard, 11 standard, 12 standard. Yes, everybody knows that. Yes, Kaushik, this is only for 11 standard. 12th standard students, if they want to revise, they can watch this session. But majorly this is for 11th, man. I'm trying to do this for you guys. Okay. So this is the slope of a line formula. Y coordinate of second point minus y coordinate of first point divided by x coordinate of second point minus x coordinate of first point. So if I do that, what will I get? I'll get f of x plus h minus f of x divided by, you'll have x plus h minus x. Okay. Got it? So this is your slope. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? So now, if I cancel both the x, I'll get a very nice formula. What will I get? Limit x tending to 0. I'll get f of x plus h. I'm sorry. Slope, what did I get? Slope is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Is that clear? Everybody clear? Yes, Suhani, we will do it. Subhaya Babu, it is very important for JEE Mains. Now, guys, did you all understand? The slope of this line is given by this formula. Everybody liked it? So now, what is derivative? Derivative is the slope of tangent to the curve at a point. Derivative means what? Slope of tangent to the curve at a point. Now, this line, is it tangent? No. Why is it not tangent? Because the line cuts at 2 points. If the line cuts at 2 points, it is not a tangent, it is called as a secant. How do I make this? How do I make this a tangent? I make this a tangent by reducing this gap, correct now? What is this gap? This gap is h, because this is x, this is x plus h. So if I reduce this gap, this 2 point will come closer and they'll meet at the same point. So if I can make this h very, 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 very small, I will get slope of tangent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put limit h tending to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. That will be my derivative definition. Amazing. Did you guys like it? Are you all happy with it? So this is the way you understand derivative. So what is derivative? Derivative is nothing but the slope of tangent to the curve at the point. The slope of tangent to the curve at the point. So that is what I tried to derive. Faisal, did you get it? Suhani, you got it? Everybody liked it? Logesh? Hi Ishika, welcome Ishika, nice to have you here. Yes, Captain America, we will do for integration also, don't worry. Okay, our glorious globe, welcome man. I am so happy to see you here. Welcome, welcome. Great. So now people don't forget this definition, okay? This definition is called as the first principle method. This definition is called as the first principle method. So this is the basic definition of differentiation. Whenever I say derivative of a function, this is the most basic definition. This is how you find derivative. And this method is called as what? This method is called as first principle method of derivative. First principle method of derivative. Very important. We had done this in 11th standard. Absolutely. No problem, Faisal. I will help you, Faisal. Okay? Good. So now let's move forward, people. Let's try to solve one basic question using this method. Can you all try this? Very good. Jigisha, that's awesome. I am so happy that you chose to come to this channel. How is IISc? Lohit, IISc is a very good university, man. You should try for it. Okay? IISc is very prestigious. It's one of the best institutes in our country. So all the best. Try for it. I hope you make it. Okay? Very good. Absolutely, Logesh. Logesh, I will come to that. Those are formulas, Logesh. But before we go to formulas, we will try to learn the basic method of finding out derivatives. See, Logesh, what you told, that is a direct formula. But how that formula comes, it is from first principle method. So based on first principle method, I have given you one question. Everybody try to solve it. Come on, people, let's do it together. So what is f dash of x? First principle method says f dash of x is limit h tending to 0. I'll have f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Correct, na? Are you guys happy with that? Did you all get it? So how do I proceed from here? What can I do? So f of x plus h is what? See, f of x is given. So f of x plus h will be what? Can you guys help me here? F of x plus h will be, in place of x, I'll put x plus h. So sin x plus h, cos x plus h, minus sin x cos x. Super, sir. Very good. Divided by h. Till here, did you guys understand? I did only one step. Are you all happy with it? Very good, Aisha. Hello, Mohammad Riaz. Welcome, Mohammad Riaz. Nice to see you. Very good, Aisha. Aisha, you are amazing. Kumar Ganesh. Welcome, man. Nice to see you. Everybody clear? Very good, Jigisha. Suhani. Next level only. Great. So shall we move forward? Now, people, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 2, divide by 2. Is that okay? I'm going to multiply by 2, divide by 2. That is called as manipulation. That is called as manipulation. Why did I do that? Because 2 sine cos is sine 2x formula. 2 times sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta formula. So now it will become sine of 2x plus 2h minus sine of 2x divided by 2h. Did you guys like it? Now you'll have what? Sin c minus sin d. So guys, trigonometric formulas are very important. So you have sin c minus sin d. So sin c minus sin d is what? 2 times of cos c plus d by 2. So c plus d by 2 will be what? 2x plus h. Into sin c minus d by 2. So C minus D by 2 will be sin h divided by, I have 2h, limit h tending to 0. Now 2 cancels and sin h by h is what? Sin h by h is 1. So I'll have limit h tending to 0 cos of 2x plus h, which will be just cos 2x. So that is my answer. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hello Chandra Reddy. Welcome Chandra Reddy. Nice to see you here. I'm so happy you chose to come. The shadow, don't worry. It is very natural to get distracted. Okay, everybody gets distracted in life, but how do you beat it? How do you overcome it in the long run? That matters a lot. Okay, so you have to train your mind. Okay, and you have to want it. Do you want to get into an IIT? Do you really want to be in an IIT? Do you want to get into a good institute? Do you want to earn money? Do you want to be a respectable person? Do you want to drive cool cars, cool bikes? That should keep you motivated. You should think about it. Don't live for today. Plan your future. Don't live for today, because if you live for today, you'll be sad, you'll be distracted, you'll be less focused. Think about 10 years down the line. Do you want to be a great person? You need to sacrifice then. When your friends are playing, when your friends are partying, when your friends are dancing, you need to study. Why? Because you want to be a greater person 10 years down the line. You don't want to be like a normal person. You chose it, so you have to work hard for it. So that is called as perseverance. That is called as sacrifice for your future. Okay, very important. Okay, great. So shall I move forward? Everybody? Great, great, great. Yes, Vijaya, absolutely. Shaunak, welcome Shaunak. Abhinaya, vanakkam. Thank you, Ayaz. I'm glad you guys liked it. Guys, everybody is happy with this. Can you all give me a thumbs up? Can you all give me a yo, a fire in the chat? Everybody give me a fire in the chat. If you're all happy, then let's keep moving forward. Shall we? Great. Yes, Sai Arshit, I will make a video on BitSat for sure when the time comes. Now it's too early, but I'll try to make it. Don't worry. Very good. Super, Shaunak. Please take a screenshot. This is very important. Okay. Great, great, great. So now let's move forward, people. Let's go to the next one. Okay. So this is a solution. In my class, I will always share PDF. Okay. So if you want the PDF, you need to join our Telegram group. Okay. So our Telegram group is like WhatsApp, where I will share all the material so that you guys can utilize to learn it better. Okay. Great. So now let's get started. If we do this by some direct method of formula, you will get the answer easily, Suhani. Suhani, now I am coming to that. This is direct formula. These are the formulas for differentiation. But if you know the direct formula, Suhani, it's very easy. The reason I did the previous question is because I wanted to help you understand how these formulas are derived. These formulas are derived using first principle method, which I did in the previous slide, Suhani. These formulas are derived using the first principle method, which I just taught you in the first few slides. Did you get it? So these formulas are very useful. You need to remember it. You need to memorize it. How do you do it? It's up to you. You can either mug it. You can either revise it by constant problem solving. I'll tell you how I did it. When I was a student, how did I study all these formulas? I studied by practicing questions. So when you solve 40, 50 questions, automatically your brain will get used to the formula. That is called patterned learning. So I used to solve 50, 60 questions. So because of that, automatically it registers in my mind. Exactly. Absolutely, Logesh. Logesh, you are in the right path, Logesh. You are absolutely correct. So when you constantly solve it, it gets registered in your mind. Okay, that is what I would recommend. Otherwise, you have to memorize it. You have to mug it up. Okay. So whenever you have a constant, the derivative of a constant is 0. What do you mean by constant? Constant is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus root 3, plus root 3, plus root 5. So constants means they don't change their value. Constants means they'll be the same throughout. Whatever is not a variable is a constant. Something like that you can think. Okay, x, y, they're all variables. But if you have, let's say, a constant a, a constant phi, they're all constants because they don't change their value. So whenever you have a constant, if you differentiate it, it will be 0. If you differentiate x to the power n, it will be n x to the power n minus 1. Okay, so from now on, it is important. So please pay attention carefully, my dear boys and girls. This is quite important. So we are starting serious business. So x cube derivative will be what? X cube derivative will be n x to the power n minus 1. N x to the power n minus 1. A is a constant. So constant will be just like that. Constants will be just like that. So don't worry about that. Okay. So what is x power n? It is n x to the power n minus 1. So n x to the power n minus 1. So x cube derivative is 3x square. Did you all like it? Very good, Aisha. Very good, Shaunak. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. So what will be d by dx of x to the power, let's say 10, it is nothing but n x to the power n minus 1. So it will be 10 x to the power 9. Did you all like it? So now what is this formula saying? This formula is saying if you have a constant, let's say 2x power 5, what will that be? It will be 2 into x power 5 will be 5x power 4. So it will become 10x power 4. If you understood these three examples, give me a fire in the chat because you guys are awesome. Abhinav Pulluri, you are right. Very good, Abhinav. Akash, Deep Diya, Chilakala, I didn't understand your name, but I hope you got it. Great, you did it right. Gayatri, very good. Shaunak, Vishwabarani, super, yeah, super, very good. Thank you, Suveda. I am glad you are able to follow. So people, I hope all of you liked it. Now, the next one is very easy because all of us love easy things. We love easy laddu stuff, right? Laddus are always good. Laddus, rasagullas, gulab jamun. We love to eat them, right? So the next formula is one such gulab jamun. What is it? So whenever you have e to the power x, the derivative is the same. The derivative is the same. So e to the power x, derivative is the same. No change. Derivative of e power x is e power x only. Very simple. Got it? So it's easy to remember. Now, moving on to the next one. A power x. So derivative of a power x is what? Derivative of a to the power x is nothing but a to the power x ln a. Now, for those who are wondering, sir, what is e, sir? E is called as a Napier's constant. Okay. It is also called as Euler's number. Okay. E is just a constant. The value of E is 2.718 approximately. Okay. It is a special number in maths. It's a constant value. Okay. E is just like a number. It is a special number and its value is approximately 2.718. Okay. Did you all like it? It is called as Napier's constant or Euler's number. Euler's number means EULER. It's pronounced as Euler, not Euler, but everybody calls Euler. It's okay. Okay, names can be pronounced anyway. It's not a big issue, so it's okay. You can call it Euler or Euler, doesn't matter. I'm not going to get offended. So Euler's constant or Napier's constant is E. It is approximately 2.718. Got it? Very good, very good. If E is a constant, then how can it be differentiated? I asked, good question I asked. But I asked, you see, it is e power x. Here, it is only constant I asked, but I have constant to the power variable, na? So that is different I asked. You cannot say it is a constant. Understood that? Everybody? Cool. So, example of a power x will be what? 2 power x. So, 2 power x derivative will be what? It will be 2 power x ln 2. What is ln? Ln is nothing but log to the base e. Log to the base e is called as ln. Don't forget that. So, that's why sometimes they'll use log, sometimes they'll use ln. You should not get confused. You should not be like, sir, you didn't teach me that. You are writing ln, but in textbook they are giving log. Both are same. Both are the same. Okay, I hope all of you are clear. Did you guys like that? So ln is nothing but log to the base e. ln is called as natural logarithm. It is called as natural logarithm. Okay, now coming to the last one, guys. I hope now it's starting to make sense. People, these formulas are very important. Okay, these formulas are very important. So please learn them carefully. Okay, now coming to the next one. What is the next one? Derivative of ln x. Derivative of ln x is nothing but derivative of log x. Both are same because ln and log is the same. So derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Did you all like it? Everybody happy with that? All of you are clear? Hello Sushant Vemula. No problem Sushant. You can continue from here. Very good. Dr. Strange, you are right. Very good, very good. So shall we move forward? Are you guys happy? So people, please make an effort to remember these formulas, guys. Please do that for me, okay? I want everybody to work hard from now. The next 2-3 months, we have to be fired up. We need to catch up on all our backlogs. We will work hard to help you catch up, okay? But you need to spend time on memorizing this or practicing this. Whichever you want, you do it. Because when I say memorize, I kind of feel bad. Because I'm a maths teacher, I wrote advanced, I wrote mains, and I cannot ask you guys to mug things up. But that is also one way of doing it. It is not wrong to mug. Okay, so whatever works for you, you do it. But my objective is, please remember them. Remember them, that is important. Okay, great. So let's move forward, people. Let's go to the next set of formulas. Now, this is trigonometric differentiation. Okay, trigonometric functions. I am giving here some formulas. Please remember them. Okay, Aditya. Yes, Aditya. We will go to questions. I have plenty of questions, Aditya. So please wait. I have plenty of questions. First, I will cover the basic theory. Then I will go to some good questions. Got it? Okay, very good. Prasad, all the best, Prasad. Work hard. You will do well. Be very sincere, hardworking. You will do great, Prasad. Okay. Now, people, first let's take a list of this formula now. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So this is minus cosecant square x. Okay. And derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. Are you all happy? Is it blurry? Shaunak, you have to increase your resolution, Shaunak. I think it is clear for everybody. Okay. Only gaming. Very good evening, man. Welcome. Great, great. Thank you, Jigisha. I am glad you are enjoying the session. Rahavi. Welcome, Rahavi. Nice to see you, Rahavi. Great. Integration. Shakti, I will do it probably in the coming weeks. Please wait for it. Differentiation is the reverse of integration. Yes, Aditya, you are absolutely right. It is a bit blur, is it? So I will write it down. Okay. So first one is derivative of sin x is cos x. I will read it, you guys write it. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Okay. And then derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. Now, for those who are asking, sir, how do we derive these formulas? Only we should memorize, sir. Will everybody teach like this? Yes. Because the derivation of this, I taught you in the starting. What is that? First principle method. So if you want to derive any one of them, go back to the starting 3 slides which I taught you today. What is that? Differentiation using first principle method. That is the basic way to find out derivatives. That is how all these formulas are derived. It is irrelevant to go and do that because nobody will ask you questions from that. That is for basic understanding. How much I taught you, that itself is more than enough. That is for basic understanding. To know what are derivatives, how do we find them, what is first principle method? To appreciate our background. That is why we need that. But from moving forward, from now, you need to remember the formulas. That is very important. Okay, great. So now let's go forward, people. Let's go and look at the next set of rules. The next set of rules is very important because I'm gonna go and give you some questions. Okay, I'm gonna go forward and give you some questions. But before I go to questions, I wanted to help you with few rules of differentiation. Okay, so whenever you are adding two functions or subtracting two functions, you can separately differentiate and then add them. For example, if you have sin x plus x cubed, if you have sin x plus x cubed derivative, so what this rule says is, you can write this as d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of x cubed. Look at that, beautiful, na? That's why you are able to solve it easily. Now d by dx of sin x is what? Just now I gave you formula, direct formula. It is cos x. D by dx of x cube is what? Just now I gave you formula. It is 3x square. Over. Done. Genius Yazir. This is for 11th standard Yazir. Very good. Abhinav. Aditya. Jigisha. Very good, Jigisha. Gaurav. Welcome, man. AD square. Great, great, great. Mugil Dhanalakshmi. Our class will be at 8:30 tonight. Okay, very good. Avni, super Avni. In this session, only derivative shadow, not application of derivatives. Hi Harshita, very good evening Harshita, welcome. So people, the first one I hope is clear. So whenever you have addition or subtraction of two functions, you can just separate them and differentiate it. You can just separate them and then differentiate it, and then finally you can add or subtract. Got it? So that is the first one. What is the second one? Second one is called as the most important product rule. So this is called as product rule. Do you guys know that product rule? Aditya, this is the last slide, Aditya. After this we have plenty of questions, so don't worry. This is the last slide. After this I have many questions coming, so please wait. Okay, so what is product rule? So let me tell you what it is about. So when you have product of two functions, you cannot directly differentiate it. You need the help of some other higher rule to solve it. For example, let us say you have sin x into x square. How do you differentiate it? So this, is there any direct formula? Is there any direct formula for this? No, we don't know. There is no direct formula to handle this. So in this case, what do? We take the help of a higher level technique called as product rule. So what does product rule do? Product rule tells you how to find the derivative of this in a very easy manner that you can do it with what you know. So what does product rule say? It says that it is first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. That's it. Was it beautiful? Did you guys like it? Very good. Bharat, you are absolutely right, Bharat. Very good, Shadow Legends. So this product rule is also called as UV rule. UV, if these are two functions and if you want to find derivative, derivative symbol is dash. Derivative symbol is dash. So UV dash means the derivative of the product UV. So UV dash is nothing but first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. That's it. That is how you use the UV rule or product rule. It is chain rule, no hurry. Chain rule is different. I will teach you in this class at the end of the lecture. So please wait, hurry. Okay, please wait, hurry, because chain rule I will teach you in the end of this class. Okay, very good. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? Very good. Brilliant. Absolutely. Now the next one is called as, the last one is called as quotient rule. The last one is called as quotient rule. Okay, or U by V rule. U by V rule. So what is U by V rule? U by V rule says the derivative of a quotient is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. Very simple. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. Okay, did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? Everybody got this method? Are you guys able to comprehend whatever I have discussed so far? Very good. So this is your quotient rule. Guys, these three rules are very basic. Each and every student in 11th and 10th should know it. If you are preparing for IIT, if you are calling yourself a JEE Mains aspirant, a JEE Advanced aspirant, a NEET aspirant, then you should know all this. Okay? Very good. So let's go to a question now. Are you guys ready? This is a slightly interesting question. Let's see if you guys can handle it. Prasanna, parametric, I have taught in a different lecture. Please go refer it. This is for 11th standard, Prasanna. In 11th standard, parametric differentiation is not there. Parametric differentiation is there only in 12th standard, CBSE. So I have already done it. Please go check it out. Why for NEET people? Harshit, in NEET physics, you don't have differentiation. I didn't know that, man. I thought NEET physics has differentiation. Is NEET physics that easy that they don't have differentiation anywhere? Nowhere they use quotient rule. Then it is not useful in NEET. Okay? Very good. Prasanna, you are from 11th. Okay. So 11th, parametric differentiation, it's not needed, man. It's okay. Everybody says 0. Very good. Very good. Because you all told the wrong answer. Answer is not 0. Jigisha is right. Jigisha, you are next level. Because answer is none of these. Answer is none of these. Why? Because derivative does not exist. How, sir? What are you telling, sir? Can you explain, sir? I will explain it. Don't worry. Okay. Kushank Patel, very good. And all the others who said 0, now it's time for you to pay attention. You need to listen to me carefully. Okay. So first of all, guys, let me ask you something. See, mod x, mod of this thing will be cos x minus sin x, or it will be minus of cos x plus minus sin x, when it will be cos x minus sin x if cos x is greater than sin x. Correct now? And it will be this one if cos x is less than sin x. Did you guys like it? How many of you understood this? I am trying to go from the basics, because if you have mod x, it is going to be x if x is positive, and it's going to be minus x if x is negative. Did you guys like that? Basics. From the basics, I am moving forward. From the basics, I am taking it up and higher. From the basics, I am going up and higher. Okay? Snehal Patel, this is very important. Sneha, this is very, very important. Please watch this session because I have tried to explain it as simple as possible. Very good, Harika. Very good, Suhani. Is everybody else clear with it? Guys, did you like it? You need to open mod. Only then you can solve. Guys, please understand that. Whenever you are differentiating some function with modulus, you cannot directly do it. That is a very bad mistake. That clearly tells me that you don't know maths. Whenever I ask you a question, if an interview person, if I am an interviewer and you are applying for a scholarship, if I want to test you whether you know maths or not, I'll give you this question. I'll give you modulus and I'll ask you to differentiate. What people do is they will directly do it, thinking that modulus is like bracket only. You wish it's like laddu, huh? This is not laddu, okay? This is brainy question. So whenever modulus is there, first remove the modulus. First open the function. First simplify it, and then only you should solve it. Okay, that's what I've done. Now, wait a minute. Where will cos x be greater than sin x? Cos x will be greater than sin x when x is between 0 to pi by 4. Is that right? Cos x will be, let's draw the graph. This is a graph of cos x. This is a graph of sin x. So this is pi by 4. So this is cos x now. Cos x is black color. So when is cos x greater than sin x? From 0 to pi by 4. That's what I have written, because I want x interval. I don't want cos x greater than sin x. I want x interval. That's why I did that. Beautiful. This is the step-by-step way of solving it. Hi Hari Kotari, welcome, welcome Hari. The next one, cos x is less than sin x. Cos x is less than sin x means, see here, after pi by 4, sin x is up, cos x is down. So cos x will be less than sin x for x greater than pi by 4. That's it. Did you all like it? So where do we want derivative? We want derivative at pi by 4. So at pi by 4, left hand side I have this function, right hand side I have this function. So let's find out left hand derivative. What is left hand derivative? Left hand derivative is derivative of this. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is minus cos x. So at pi by 4, it will be minus root 2. If I put pi by 4, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 will become minus 2 by root 2, which is minus of root 2. Now what is right hand derivative? Right hand derivative means to the right side of pi by 4. So this is x less than pi by 4. So left hand limit, left hand derivative. X greater than pi by 4, you will have the right hand derivative. So right hand derivative means this is the function which I should consider for differentiating, for finding out the right hand derivative. So if I differentiate this, what will I get? Right hand derivative minus cos x, the derivative will become plus sin x. Plus sin x, derivative will become plus cos x. So at pi by 4, if I put 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 will be plus root 2. So right hand derivative is plus root 2. Left hand derivative is minus root 2. So are they equal? They are not equal. They are not equal. So both your LHD and RHD are not the same, and hence derivative does not exist. Was it beautiful? Okay. Selva, don't worry Selva. Yes, absolutely you can. There are people who got much less than that and they have qualified JEE Advanced also. So don't worry Selva. Instead focus on improving. Look at the future. Don't let the past pull you down. Don't let the past control what you're doing today. Instead, move forward towards your future and change it. Okay? Did you all like it? Everybody? Hari, no problem Hari. This is a bit advanced. This is 11th standard differentiation topic. Okay? Everybody happy? Good. Yes, Mohammad Ayaz. Shaunak, yes Shaunak, you can take a screenshot. Guys, if you understood it fully, can you give me a yes in the chat, yo in the chat, fire in the chat? Please do it guys, come on. Everybody, I want you to respond in the chat. Quickly, my dear boys and girls. Very good Hari, very good Bharat, Aditya, Jigisha, fantastic. Shrinesh, super Shrinesh. Great. Chimbu Ashwin, welcome Ashwin. Nice to see you man. So that's about it people. With that, let's go to the next one. Are you guys ready? Great. So this is the next question. Come on. This everybody can do. This is not difficult. This is not difficult. This everybody can do. So please try it. These are all basics for JEE Mains. What is the answer? Hi Sudarshan. Welcome Sudarshan. Abhinav says C. Okay. Aditya says B. Okay. Who is right? Let's check it. Arun Kishore. Very good Arun Kishore. Aditya, the answer is C, Aditya. Jigisha, very good Jigisha, you are right. Akash is right. Hi Rashi, welcome. Nice to see you here. Suhani, Kumar Ganesh, you guys are all right. Shrinesh is also right. See, what is f dash of x? Aditya, check it. F dash of x is what? Derivative of x power 100 is 100 x power 99 and you have divided by 100 because constants will remain the same. Divided by constant will remain the same. This will be what? X power 99 derivative is 99 x power 98 by 99. Like that it will keep going. X power 2 derivative is 2x by 2. Because 2x is derivative of this and already by 2 is there. X derivative is 1. 1 derivative is 0. So this is what we have. Now f dash of 0 means in the place of x I should put 0. So if I do that, this will be 0. This will also be 0. Everything will be 0 until this term. Next one will be 1 and then 0. So everything is 0. 1 plus 0. So answer is what? Answer is 1. Did you like it? Was it difficult? If you liked it, give me a fire in the chat. Come on guys. I hope all of you know how to send fire. I want you to send a fire in the chat. Do it fast. Very good. Sunny. Very good Sunny. Very good Shaunak. Manjali. Maurya. Super. Great, great, great. Very good. Thank you so much guys. I'm glad you liked it. So we will move forward to the next question. Here we go. Please do it guys. Come on. These are all basic tests. These are all basic tests. So everybody try to do it. Come on people. You can do it. Badawat Sriram Nayak, welcome. Very good, very good. Generation Masters, super. Try this question. I am sure you guys can do it. It is not difficult, but watch it carefully. Here it is root 2 and x. Here it is 2 and root x. That you be careful, okay? Don't be in a hurry. Watch carefully and do it. Very good, Sunny. I want everybody to participate. Let's see who can crack it. These are JEE Mains level questions. No, Shaunak. They are foundation to JEE Mains. If you keep solving like this every day, if you come practice with me like this, then you will reach JEE Mains level within 1 to 2 weeks. This is the path that we should follow to reach JEE Mains level. If you are a JEE Mains aspirant, you need to start from here, slowly build and reach the highest pinnacle, which is JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Okay? Timothy, welcome Timothy, nice to see you. Vishav, very good Vishav, happy to see you man. Great. Hi Maidili, welcome. Welcome Maidili, nice to see you. Jigisha says D. Jigisha, you are amazing Jigisha. You are next level. Manjali, you are right. Banu, you are right. Aditya, you are right. Now everybody is right. Very good job people, because the answer is in fact option D. You guys can give yourself a big round of applause. Good job guys. I am very happy. I am very happy because this was solved by everybody. Okay, that's amazing. Very good Stuti. Welcome Stuti. So guys, how do you solve this? Let's have a look at it. You have root 2 of x. So derivative of this will be what? See, derivative of what do we have? See, I'll do it step by step so that every child can understand. Because that is what we want, right? We want all of us to grow together. So now use the properties of differentiation. Okay, properties of differentiation is what? You will take one term separately. Okay, if it is addition subtraction, you can split it. You can take one term separately and then do it. Okay, this is a very good way of solving, my dear children. This is a very good way of solving. This is how you should practice. Now you can take constant. I told you now, constant means no use. You can take it outside. So root 2 you can take it outside and you can do this separately. Here also 2 is a constant. You can take it outside. Now you see how easy it became. D by dx of x is 1. And then you have 2 into d by dx of root x. Root x means what? Root x means x power half. So what is derivative of x power half? The formula is n x to the power n minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 root x. Then you'll have minus of, this will be what? X to the power minus half. So what is the derivative of x to the power minus half? D by dx of x to the power minus half will be minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2. So it will become plus 1 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2. That's it. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled and you will get option D. You guys can check it out. Did you all like it? Was it beautiful? The way I approached it, the way I solved it? If you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo, so that we can move forward. Great, great. Very good. Maithili, good observation, Maithili. Very good. Brilliant. Sunny, Abhinav, Jigisha, you guys are awesome. Thank you, Ayaz. I'm glad you're following it. Okay. So that's about it, guys. Now let's move forward to the next question which I have for you. Everybody try to solve it. This is also a simple question based on properties. Based on properties. So if you guys know properties, this will be a piece of cake. Everybody can tackle it very easily. Okay. Banu Verma, you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, I did that yesterday. Vaishnavi, welcome Vaishnavi, nice to see you here. So people, how do you solve this question? Look at it. See, first of all, do you know this log property? Do you know this log property? Log of e to the power log e n is nothing but n. Do you guys know that? So whenever you have a to the power log n to the base a, it is always n. This is a super property. This is a super property. Did you guys know this? So, e to the power log to the base e. So, y will be what? Y will be just this one. Easy, na? That's it. How many of you got it? If you got it, give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo in the chat. Give me a fire in the chat. These are all brilliant properties which you are learning. These are all brilliant properties which you are learning. I hope you guys liked it. Very good, Aditya. Very good. Meenakshi Sundar, vanakkam. Nice to see you, man. Arun, very good, Arun. Jigisha, you are always right, Jigisha. You are always right. Because, guys, Jigisha said the right answer. It is option B. How? Sir, this is geometric progression. Okay, this is geometric progression. So geometric progression, what is the summation? Infinite series, right? It goes up to infinity. So infinite series, the summation is A. A is what? First term. A by 1 minus R. What is R? R is common ratio. So this is your Y. Now I need to do dy by dx. So how do you differentiate this? How do you differentiate this? Everybody, you have to use chain rule. Okay, you have to use chain rule. So it will be option B, because the derivative of this is minus 1 by 1 minus x the whole square into minus 1. So minus 1 will become plus 1, and in the denominator you will have 1 minus x square. What is chain rule? How did I differentiate? I will explain it. Please wait for me. Okay. Hemant Sira, JEE Mains will be probably in April is what I am guessing. It will be in April. Okay. So guys, everybody clear? Shall I move forward? Okay, so this one differentiation is by chain rule. I will teach you how to do that. But before that, let's try to solve one more nice question. Very interesting question. Come on, people. Hi, Rahul. Welcome, Rahul. Implicit function. Aryan, implicit function means a function in which y cannot be separately expressed in terms of x. Whenever you can express y separately in terms of x, that is called as explicit function. Whenever y is given in terms of x, that is called as explicit function. Whenever x and y are together given, then it is an implicit function. I hope you understood it, Aryan. That is again 12th standard. Okay, Midnight Monster, yes, I will teach you what is chain rule. Please wait for some time. Few more moments. Great. Hari, this time there is 4 attempts. I am doubtful, Hari. I don't think there will be 4 attempts. Okay, but we don't know. We will wait for the official announcement. I think at least 2 attempts will be there. At least 2 attempts should be there. Great, great, great. So people, let's try to solve this. First of all, what did I tell? Whenever mod is there, you need to remove the modulus. So first take case 1, x greater than 0. So y will be what? Y will be log of to the base e mod 2x will become 2x. Why? Because x is positive. If x is positive, mod will be directly opening. So now what is derivative? The derivative will be, what is log of 2x? Log of 2x derivative will be 1 by 2x, and then chain rule. Chain rule means what? Whatever is the coefficient of x that I need to multiply. Okay, so log derivative is 1 by whatever is there. Now whatever is there, that I have to differentiate. So 2x derivative is 2. That is called as chain rule. I will teach you. Now second case is what? Second case is x negative. X negative means y will be log to the base e mod 2x will now become minus 2x. Why minus 2x? Because x is negative. So if x is negative, I need to put minus sign to make it positive, because modulus is always positive. Got it? That's it. Now differentiate it. dy by dx will be equal to what? Log of something will be 1 by something into whatever I took as something, I need to differentiate that. So that will also be 1 by x. So here also the derivative is 1 by x. So here also it's 1 by x, here also it's 1 by x. So the derivative is always 1 by x. Was it crazy good? Guys, here it cannot be 0 because 0 does not belong to the domain of log, okay? It should be x greater than 0. Very good. Yes. I am so happy that you guys followed it. Guys, this was such a beautiful question. Did you all like it? Was it epic? Great, great, great. Good job, people. Good job. So with that, for those who are asking, sir, I want to improve. I want to do well in my JEE mains. How do I go about it? So if you are interested, people, you can check the Vedantu crash course for JEE mains. Like I said, we have produced toppers. Last year, All India rank 35 was from JEE mains, was from Vedantu. Okay, All India rank 35 in JEE mains. And then 900 students, almost 900 students got 99 percentile. So you can also do it. Okay, so this is the crash course. I will show you how to join it. Okay, all you need to do is go below this video. Below this video, there will be a link. So click on that link and you guys can definitely join us. It is just 8,000 for all the subjects put together. Maths, physics, chemistry, test series, assignments and notes. Everything. So many of you are asking, right? Can I improve from 100 to 160? Can I improve to 120? Can I get 95 percentile? Guys, you can, but you need to work very hard. Okay, you can take help from YouTube, from crash courses and work hard. See, it all depends on hard work. That's it. There is no secret success. There is no secret shortcut. It is hard work. It is sacrifice. It is effort. If you do that, you will also definitely beat it. Okay, so shall we move forward, guys? Guys, we have to move forward fast because we have to complete chain rule soon. So please try it, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do it fast. Very good. Nachos with Neisha. Yes, I will do so. Thank you. I'm glad you liked it. Dinesh, will you do all sums? Dinesh, how many sums will be there totally? All sums means if it is less than 200, I can do it. But if it is more than 200, it's difficult, Dinesh. Less than 200 means I will do everything. Okay. Abhinav says A. Okay, Abhinav, we will check it. Let's see if you're right or wrong. Very good, very good. Jay Ajinkya, you can message me here. I will help you. Message me on Instagram. That is my Instagram ID. So people, let's use log properties. See, log property says log to the base something. Let's say m. Let's say a to the power b is there. What is that going to be? That is going to be log to the base m a. B will come to the front. Correct now? The power will come to the front. Do you guys know that? That is called as log properties basics. Log properties basics. Is that right, people? So now you have y is equal to log x to the power x. So I can write it as y is equal to x log x. Now you might ask, sir, no base is given, sir. Is it wrong? Typing mistake? No, guys. If no base is given, it is assumed to be e. If just they give log x, please understand in 11th and 12th, it means log x to the base e. Very good, Midnight Monster, Superman. You are absolutely right. Everybody got it? So most of my 12th standard students will know. If you are from 11th, please understand it. It's important. Okay? Exactly. Now it is product rule. You have product rule. U, V. So when you have product rule, how do you find derivative? How do you find derivative? First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. That's it. So answer is 1 plus ln x. Do we have that in the option? 1 plus log x. So yes, we have it. This is 1 plus log x. So answer is option B. How? Because 1 is nothing but log to the base e. 1 is nothing but log to the base e of e. So log e plus log x. So what is log e plus log x? It is log ex. That's what we have. Beautiful. Did you guys like it? Differential coefficient means derivative. Aryan, differential coefficient means derivative, Aryan. Okay, I hope you understood it. Everybody cool with it? Shall I move forward, guys? Are you all happy? Did you all like it? Very good, Amoret. You are right. Guys, everybody tell me if you are all clear so that we can move forward. We have to go fast. Yes. Kurapati Akila, 120, you will not get NIT Akila. No way. You have to get 160, 170. Akila, you should get 160, 170. That's why I'm saying, Akila, you need to take help. Check the crash course. It is below this video. It is just 8K, 8,000 for the next 2 months. So use those help that we provide. Work hard because without 160, 170, you cannot get NITs. Don't dream about it. Okay? Cool. So let's move forward, guys. Let's go to the next one. People, please try it out. Differential coefficient. Aryan, you asked, na? You asked, na? I gave you a question based on it. Differential coefficient means derivative. I want you to find the derivative, Aryan. So can you do that for me, please, everybody? Very good, very good. Hi, Kaveen. Very good evening, Kaveen. Welcome. Good evening, Sai Satvik. Nice to see you, man. After a long time. How are you all doing? I hope you're all happy, excited to be back. Very good. Awesome. Study with Akshat. You got 227. That's amazing. 227 is crazy good. It's a very good score. Congrats, man. Mohammad Anas, welcome. So people, let's try to solve it. How do you do this? This is quotient rule. U by V rule. So derivative of U by V is what? Derivative of U by V is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. Okay. So what will I have? Denominator into derivative of numerator. Derivative of numerator is sin x derivative. Sin x derivative is cos x. Correct now? Denominator into derivative of numerator. Oh, I'm sorry. It is x sin x, guys. Okay. X sin x derivative is what? X sin x will be product rule. So product rule I have to apply. So first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Okay. Minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Numerator into derivative of denominator. What is derivative of denominator? It is minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square. Now you guys can simplify it and solve it. So this is my answer. This is my dy by dx. Are you guys happy? Are you guys happy? Very good. That's about it. Akanksha. Yes, Akanksha, you are absolutely right. Very good, very good. Yes, 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 yes. Kiranjeet, it is very simple, Kiranjeet. You have to revise your trigonometric formulas. Okay, sin C minus sin D. Those formulas you revise, Kiranjeet, you will be able to solve it. Please try it. It is not difficult. Okay, very good. Super, people. So now let's try to solve it now. Let's finish it off. Okay, so what do we have? 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. Now we can combine it, guys. So this minus and this minus will become plus. Okay, and you have x sin x into sin x. So it will become x sin square x. It will become x sin square x. Got it? And after that it's pretty easy because here you'll have what? X cos square x. So let's open it up. So you'll have x cos x plus x cos square x plus sin x plus x cos x sin x plus x sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square. So now x cos square x, x sin square x, if they both combine, you will get 1x. You will get 1x. Plus you'll have what? X cos x plus you'll have x cos x. And then you'll have what? Sin x common you can take. Sin x common you can take. You'll have 1 plus cos x. So you'll have by 1 plus cos x whole square. So guys, you can see that now 1 plus cos x is common here. 1 plus cos x is common here. So you can cancel one of them. Okay. So you can write this as x into 1 plus cos x. So this and this will get cancelled. So the answer will be x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. So that is your answer. I hope you guys liked it. Everybody cool? Full portion mock test will start soon, modern man. It will be on Sundays. Amoret, you're absolutely right. Guys, I hope you understood the simplification process. Rupa, welcome Rupa. Nice to have you here. Everybody liked it? Are you guys clear with this? If you did not understand, please let me know. I will try to help you. Mohammad Anas, you're right. Abhinav, very good Abhinav. What about others? If everybody is happy, give me a thumbs up. Give me a fire in the chat. Give me a fire in the chat. Kumar Ganesh, very good Kumar Ganesh. You're absolutely right. That is fantastic. Study with Akshat, you're right. Good job. Hi Milan, welcome Milan. Nice to see you. Very good. I have a class at 5:30. Even I have a class at 5:30, man, in Vedantu. Okay, so I have no break after this. Now, Midnight Monster, you are lucky because we are gonna look at chain rule. What you have been asking for has finally come. 10th, do we have class today at V Master, the Tamil channel? Yes, Rupa. If we will have at 8:30, Rupa, tonight at 8:30. Okay, Siddhikanta, please pull the video back. Solve it along with me slowly. You will understand. If you don't understand, message me here. Message me on Instagram or Telegram. I will help you. Okay. Now people, let's come to chain rule. I will explain with an example. See, you will use chain rule when you have composition of function. What do you mean by composition of function? When you have a function inside another function, that is called as composition of function. For example, let's say you have 2x plus 3 whole power 3. So this is called as composition of function. So for this, there is no direct formula, there is no product rule, there is no there is no UV rule. But we have something called as chain rule. What is chain rule? Chain rule says, if you want to differentiate this, Midnight Monster, listen, see what is the outermost function. See what is the outermost function. What is the outermost function? Can anybody tell me? What is the outermost function? Can anybody tell me that? Please, quickly guys. The outermost function is something cube. Correct, na? The outermost function is something cube. X to the power 3. Correct, na? Very good. So what is the x to the power 3 derivative? It is 3 something square. Correct, na? Something cube, the derivative of that will be 3 something square. Now that something you have to differentiate. What is that something? 2x plus 3. What is derivative of 2x plus 3? Derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2. This is my final answer. This is my final answer. Was it good? Was it good? Did you all like it? Was it amazing? This is the essence of chain rule. Now, can we try this? So here what do you have? You have sine of ln of x the whole square. That is my function. What is the outermost function? The outermost function is square. So x square is the outermost function. X square is the outermost function. So something square, the derivative will be 2 into something. 2 into something. But now whatever I took as something, I need to differentiate that. Whatever I took as something, I need to differentiate that. So what is the derivative of sine ln x? I need to differentiate sine ln x. So sine ln x derivative is what? Outermost function is sine. So outermost function derivative will be cos of something. Cos of something. So that something again I have to differentiate. That will be 1 by x. Because ln x derivative is 1 by x. Like this you have to go. Like this you have to go. Okay. Like this you have to go. You have to differentiate from the outside all the way to the inside. Did you guys like it? Are you all happy? So outside, outermost is square. So something square, first I will differentiate. So that's what I did. 2x. X square means 2x. Now whatever I took as x, that I need to differentiate. And I keep going like that. Okay? I hope you guys liked it. So with that, people, let's solve some questions. Come on, guys. No problem. No problem, Milan. I am happy. I am happy if you are okay, if you are learning. Okay, don't worry about it. It's fine. Karthik, I am glad you liked it. Very good, Karthik. Very good, very good, very good. Come on, people, try to finish it off quickly. Yes, Dinesh, Karthik, this is okay for 11th standard derivatives for JEE Foundation. Okay, okay, okay. Very good, Midnight Monster. That's amazing, man. Good. So people, let's complete it. Everybody. What is the answer? B, is it? Okay, we will check it. So how do you differentiate it? It is x ln x to the power half. So how do you differentiate it? dy by dx. The outermost function is something to the power half. So that will be half into something to the power half minus 1 into, now whatever I took as something, that I need to differentiate. So that will be what? Product rule, because this is the next one. This is the something which I assume. Now I have to differentiate this. If I have to differentiate this, I need to use product rule. How do I use product rule? First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. That's it. So what is the answer? 1 by 2 root x ln x. into 1 plus ln x. That's it. Now put e because we want at e. So it will be 1 plus ln e divided by 2 root e ln e. So that will be what? 1 plus 1 by 2 root e into 1. Okay. So it will be 2 by 2 root e. So it will be 1 by root e. So our answer is option C, not B. So C is correct. How many of you liked it? Sai, Satvik, Karthik, you guys are right. Abhinav, that's wrong. Banu, that's wrong. Hello, Trilokesh. Welcome, Trilokesh. Nice to see you. Hi, Google Achu. Welcome, man. Great, great, great. So that's about it. I hope you are all able to follow. You're all able to enjoy whatever I've done so far. So people, I will leave a few questions for you guys as homework. Please try it out and come in the next session. We will wind it up here. Okay. So if you enjoyed this, then you must be in 11th standard and you will want to revise your backlogs. So if you feel, okay, Vedantu is doing a good job and you would like to revise with us, then please do check out the program that we offer, the course that we offer in Vedantu for 11th standard backlog revision. Right now in Vedantu, we are planning to revise the 11th standard for 11th moving to 12th students. For those students who are moving from 11th to 12th. So we have live online classes. So you will be at your home, our teachers will be in their home, and you will be learning at the same time live. And it is not like your regular online class where you have Zoom classes, Google Meet classes. No, this is in our own software. Vedantu developed it because we are not a small institute, right? Vedantu is a $1 billion institute. It's such a big company. So we have our own software where we teach students. So if you feel, yes sir, I want to learn with you and teachers like you, then don't miss this opportunity because guys, our 11th standard revision for 1 month is just 1,300. Okay, so it says 15 days, but you get 30 days. It says 15 days, but you actually get 30 days of free trial. So 30 days of free trial for 1 month, it is just 1,350. Okay, it's almost free only. Okay, that's why we call it the trial. Okay, so guys, it is 1,350 for 11th standard students moving to 12th, and this is the Pro Lite. There are 3 categories of courses in Vedantu. All of them will be the same batch. See, the batch is the same, but the only benefit is Doubt app you will not get for Lite. Doubt app you will get for Classic. Doubt app means after the class, if you have a doubt, Vedantu app in Play Store, we have a section called Doubts. So you can go there, take a photo of your doubt and send it. They will solve it and immediately give you the answer. Okay. So if that is needed, you can buy Classic. Pro Plus means you'll have mentor, personal mentor. So for physics, chemistry and maths, separately you'll have one person to guide. Okay. So that is Pro Plus. So these are the 3 different courses you can buy. They are all in the same batch, but only extra features differ. Okay. So this is the light version. Guys, if you are 11th moving to 12th, this is a good, very good opportunity, guys. Don't miss it. For 1,300, you get teachers of the quality national best level. Okay. So you can see that from our results. 900 people got 99 percentile. I get goosebumps whenever I say this. 900 people got 99 percentile. That's crazy, na? That's mind blowing. And we got All India rank 35 out of 10 lakh people. Out of 10 lakh people. Okay. And if you are from 12th standard, if you are preparing for JEE mains, do check out the crash course because the price has reduced and the batch is starting today. The batch is starting today. It is just 8,000 rupees and this is our Telegram group. And people, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friends as well. Now, before you guys leave, I want to show you how to access the courses. So how to access the courses? So guys, you see here, JEE crash course is there. You can click on that if you are from 12th standard. Class 12, JEE crash course. We have NDA crash course also. You can check it out in the same link. Then you have 11th revision. So you see 11th standard, you can change it. So class 11th, you can say 11th JE revision. So if you choose 11th JE revision, it is just 1300. It says 15 days, but it is actually 30 days because you are our YouTube students. You will get 30 days free trial. Free trial means 1300. Okay, that's first month. Got it? So I hope I made it clear. And if you want to ask me something, you can follow me on Instagram. You can message me there. I will help you. This is my Instagram ID. So can you see here? So this is my Instagram ID, my personal account. If you want to ask me something, you can text me there, message me, I will reply to you. Okay? So that's about it, guys. So JE crash course for 12th and 11th pro subscription, you can click through this link. Okay? So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this session. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. All the very best and see you again soon. I hope this is a good beginning. Let's all maintain the momentum. We will work together as one team. Don't leave your spirit down. Okay? Don't ever leave your spirit down. Be excited. We are here to help you. Vedantu is here no matter what. Okay? We stand for that. I know it's gonna be hard for you to trust us. Okay? Initially it might be hard because you have to believe in us, right? Don't worry, we'll work hard. We'll earn your trust and I'm sure we'll have a positive impact in your life. Okay? That is what Vedantu does. It has done to the lives of many students who are in IITs, who are in IASCs, triple ITs, NITs now. They keep messaging us. Thank you so much, sir. We will do that to you also. Okay? All the very best. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. See you.